Good morning everybody, it's Wednesday the 1st of July today, and if you look up there, right in the middle of shot, there's a little bit of blue sky. So we're at Red Bank Road at Bispham, which is this road here, so it might seem a strange place to start a video, but bear with me, all will be revealed. Fascinating fact before we set off, did you know that the tramway sheds used to be down there? Quite noisy, as you can tell with all the traffic, but where the little Sainsbury's is used to be the tramway station. There you go, today's fascinating fact. So that's the welcome arch over the road, and this is where the Illuminations start, so you can see them up there. We might get them in a minute. So we're going to cross over and we're going to go just round this corner a little bit. So I was saying is you can never have too many public toilets, so they're a block of Danforth toilets, and we're just going to have a little look round this corner because this is possibly one of the highest spots on the coast, and it always amazes me. I'm gonna just walk across here in a second. It always amazes me that when you're on the main road and you're driving down here, that you get such a fantastic view of the sea. So this is a little children's playground where little ones can run about and play safely. Oh, the grass smells. I'll be sneezing in a minute. And then down here you can see the promenade as you're going down to Little Bispham and then Anchor's Home. So Little Bispham is where the toilets are in the tram stop, and then Anchor's Home is the new bit of promenade as you get down to that end. So this is the tramway, and you can see where the trams turn round. And there's something else I was going to tell you then. What was it? Can't remember. It's gone. So, oh yeah, this is the bit where you get the view. So when you're driving that way down Queen's Promenade, when you get to about there, when you get past this banking that I'm stood on, you can see straight across the sea and the water, and you probably can see just a little glimmer on the horizon. So just hold on a second while I zoom in and look at the light there where it's catching the water over the lakes and Barrow. I don't think you'll be able to pick much out because there'll not be enough detail in it. It's still quite hazy, but on a clear day the view from here is absolutely spectacular. And then as you come back round the coastline, you can see Cleveley's and the new sea wall at Princess Way that I've just mentioned, the lower promenade where the Fylde Boat Angling Club is, and then this is the top walkway. So we're going to go back this way. Just wanted to show you that bit before we set off. So we're going to go back this way and we'll just have a quick look, because last time we came down here it was blowing a gale. I mean, there's a little bit of a breeze blowing now, but it's not windy like it was by any means. Just look at that water there, can you see it? There's obviously a sandbank underneath the sea, and it's not as deep, so you can see, in fact you can actually see the sand starting to show. Amazing. And look at that for a drop. Oh dear. If you've watched a few of these videos, you'll know that I'm not a big fan of heights. It just makes me want to jump, which is really, really weird. But there you go. So this is the area of the seafront that's known as the cliffs. So I'm going to just do a quick walk along this bit, and then the next, for another one, we'll go up to the boating pool and the cliff lift. So I think I might cheat and get back in the car and go there, because I'm not quite as out of condition as I was when I started doing this, but I'm still not exactly fit. So, what a week it's been. This time last week we were biting our nails and just about getting round to 1,000 subscribers for our YouTube channel. So we managed to do that one on Monday. So I've got to say I was actually beside myself with excitement. Kevin made me a pseudo certificate, because you don't get one for 1,000 subscribers. Apparently when you've got, I don't know, 100,000 or something ridiculous, you get a proper plaque from YouTube. So he knocked me one up, as you might say. So this is the walkway down to the beach, and wow, what can you say? It's a drag. It's a fair old drag. What a view though. I mean, you can see why it's called the cliffs, can't you? Amazing. Right, carry on. I told you that grass would make my nose run. Yeah, so we were sat at lunchtime. Quite convenient actually, because we ticked over to 1,000 at lunchtime. So we were sat there, we were having 5 minutes after our dinner, and I'm refreshing my phone, looking to see whether we'd done it. So when it got to 1,000, Kevin went and screenshot it so we can save it for posterity. I screenshotted it on my phone, and he gives me the certificate wrapped up in the bag that Dino had delivered our last Sunday luncheon from the venue. So it was all very funny, as you can imagine. Get a laugh, haven't you? So anyway, that's my big excitement for this week. And in between all that, we've had epic rainstorms. God, has the weather been awful. I mean, I'm walking along here now and we're back to sort of fairly summery weather, but oh dear me, you just won't want to go out in it. It's been that bad. It's wrecked the garden. But you can see, just looking down here, all the plants that are growing on this cliff, they're all close cropped and short to the grass. So they're putting the illuminations back up. So these are the 4 seasons. So there's summer, spring, summer, autumn and winter. We're at the back of them here, obviously. So the terrace fencing goes up anytime now. It's gone up in the last, I should say, probably a couple of weeks. And then they start putting the illuminations up, because it's quite a big job to get all them into place. So you've probably seen the news as well that the illuminations are going to be on until the 3rd of January this year, which I think is marvellous news. And I must say, I've been suggesting for donkey's years that they ought to be on until Christmas, because as a result, Blackpool just doesn't shut. It's sort of the end of the illuminations tails on into Christmas. So it just seems a bit bizarre really that they're not left on. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it will be a huge success and it will be something that comes out of the whole coronavirus thing. So you can see the boating pool from here, and that's where we're going to go and video next. And then there's North Pier at the back of that. Just zoom in. Like that. So I'm going to turn left here, down this little alleyway, and show you the front of the lights. So the other thing that I need to ask you as well is, have you entered our competition? I was supposed to ask you that when I was talking about 1,000 subscribers. So to celebrate, we're doing a competition to give away 3 prints from our Seaside Emporium collection. So I'll put the link in the description, and then you can have a go at that. So this is the old miners' home at Bispham, and I think we'd just moved here when they restored that, because it called the miners' home. In fact, I'll just walk up here and then you'll be able to see it better. It used to be a place for miners to convalesce, and I believe they used to come here on holiday as well, just to sort of get subsidised holidays and whatnot. And the place when we first came here was just about derelict. It was right nice. So a property developer restored it all and built flats inside it. So the developer at the time built these flats and these flats, and then the original building, they renovated it all and put flats inside, and they didn't open it before they started doing it. Me and my dad went to it. Really interesting but really creepy. Beautiful building. I mean, at that point it was all in its original state, so the sort of dereliction that had grown over the years of it being empty and unused was all still there. So all the old original fittings and, you know, sort of rubbish that had been dumped on a table in a room, and I don't know, it had got a bit of a Wuthering Heights, Miss Havisham feel to it. So these are new flats, and then at the back there's some new houses as well. They're McCarthy and Stone, so they're perfect for anybody that's fancying a retirement escape. So we'll go back across here and I'll show you the front of these illuminations in the daylight, and then we'll do the next video. Well, I've got my walking shoes on. Speaking of which, I'll show you my walking shoes. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ta-da! I've had these sandals, must be 20 years, and they are so comfy I could walk miles in them. And they've been in a cupboard tucked at the back of some decorating equipment while my darling husband's been doing the decorating. So I've finally managed to get them out of the cupboard, so now I've got my comfy feet so I can walk a long way. So this is the Blackpool Rocks one. I have the feeling, no, that one doesn't move, does it? So you can see all the little LED bulbs on the front. They're all love hearts, aren't they? All the illuminations run on LED now, which is the low energy form of light bulbs. They're not bulbs, the lamps. Bulbs grow underground. Sorry guys if you're watching this. So the actual energy consumption of the whole of the illuminations is a lot less than you perhaps might think it is. This is another one that they've just started putting up. Look at all those wires up there. I mean, how on earth do they know what they're doing? I have all I'm wearing a plug. It's one light little ladies round the bottom. So they take them away to the depot at South Blackpool, and they clean them up and restore them and check them for any electrical faults or anything like that, and then put them back up. So they do them in rotation, which is why You don't see them all being taken down every year. You'll just see a few being moved, and then... You waving, ladies? Morning! Morning! So that's spring. I like these. These look beautiful when they're lit up. Summer, autumn, and the blue one at the end is winter. So they're particularly good photo opportunity, because you can see that you can get really close up to them when you're on the walk, because this is the walkway. This walkway here is the walkway that you use when you come out on an evening to look at the lights. So you can get really close up to them, and then you can get a photo like that with them lit. It looks dead artistic. So that's all for this little bit. I'll go and get back in the car and go and drive a little bit further along and do the next one. So don't forget, subscribe, like the video. If you've got anything to ask, any comments, any questions, just put it in the comments below, because we're a mine of useless information. We probably know the answers to most things. And don't forget to enter the competition. See you later.